With AI advancing, as a content creator, you have to start learning how to use them now. Otherwise, it will be too late when the AI is at its advancing stage. Let's say, for example, Adobe already introduced AI into many of its applications, Blackmagic for DaVinci Resolve and Canva. And many others already introduced AI into their platform. Our beloved Kdenlive, on their website, in their roadmap, it will introduce AI or machine learning for effects integration. So learning now how to use AI will be a great advantage when it comes to these changes in the applications. So in this video, we will take a look at AI video generator. Why AI video generator? Because it will help you as a content creator. If you want or looking for something that is not there, you may just generate the video out of the text prompt or an image to get the video you want. So according to my research, any of these AI video generator may fall under 1, 2, or 3 of these 4 categories. That is text or image prompt, writing a script and adding a voice, or just using a script with an avatar and creating animation. So let's get cracking, looking at these 4 categories and which of these video generator comes under it. So the 4 AI video generator in the following categories. Number 1, text or image prompt. Under the text and image prompt, you have the Gen 2, where you provide a text prompt or an image or both of them to generate a video. Then you have the Kdenlive, which also allows you to use the text, image, or both of them to generate the video. With the new coming into the scene, which is a little bit, the videos are more HD, it is the Moon Valley. Now comparing that to the paid version of Gen 2, yes, Gen 2 have something more advanced than that. But with Moon Valley, you just provide a text prompt and it generates the video according to your text prompt. Now let's move on to number 2 category, which is writing up a script and adding a voice, whether using a voice provided on a platform or you upload your own voice. Say for example, in video, our one and Augie, all of these provide a script, provide an audio, or use the audio there and generate a video that you can use for any social media platform or right here on YouTube. The number 3 category is when you provide a script and generating an avatar, or you choose an avatar or upload your own avatar to use it. And that is DID, Epic, DeepBrain AI, and HeyGen, just to name a few. And the 4th category is when using text to generate animation. For example, anything wall, Quickie AI, where you can just manipulate the animation there and simplify it. All of these, there are more of these available as well. So these are the 4 categories with this most advanced AI. So learning them to use now, again, will be a big advantage for as a content creator. Thank you again for watching.